Thyme benefits. There are many potential benefits of thyme, and the following are the most prominent benefits of thyme. 1. A natural antibiotic. The taste substances in thyme have the ability to deal with bacteria and fungi more effectively than antibiotics. 2. Treatment of respiratory diseases. Among the benefits of thyme is that it contains some substances such as tannins, borneol, fugone, and linalool, and these substances are generally considered very useful in treating winter phenomena and solving respiratory problems, such as wet cough, asthma, chronic bronchitis, reducing blockages and balancing excess or lack of mucus, which is very important in cases of colds. 3. Treatment of digestive problems. Among the benefits of thyme is that it treats problems and pollution in the digestive system, from gases, diarrhea, parasites, pathogenic flora, and is antibacterial. It is also useful in cleaning the blood and infections in the urinary tract. 4. Fighting cancerous diseases. In addition to the many benefits of thyme in the treatment of various winter phenomena, this wonderful plant has 2 additional active ingredients, robin and ursolic acid, and these 2 components are receiving a lot of attention today by the research community. May inhibit the growth of cancerous tumors and human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. How to use thyme. The central uses of the thyme plant are by swallowing or external use, and using the plant by soaking it or as a fat solution on the chest area may help successfully treat sore throat, cough, and chest diseases, and the oils extracted from thyme are used to treat arthritis and other diseases through use. Internal or external. In traditional herbal medicine, i.e. modern plant therapy, they use the whole plant or a mixture of several plant compounds as needed in order to achieve the optimum effect, so the professionals emphasize the authenticity and quality of the raw materials used. In addition, they try to use local plants, as they are often distinguished with a very good effect on the residents and the natives of the area. Ancient uses of thyme. Thyme belongs to the family of labia, which is a great shrub characterized by a strong smell and is used as a spice. The great doctors of the Middle Ages relied a lot on medicinal herbs in general and on thyme in particular, and were given many therapeutic abilities and properties, including sterilization of the body, relieve head pain, strengthen memory, treatment of dropsy, infections, and excessive urination in addition to regulating menstruation. In folk medicine, thyme is one of the most important plants. It is used to treat abdominal pain, nausea, colds, earache, cough, head pain, stomach worms, eczema, gum infections, and others. In our modern age, Western traditional medicine has begun to contain herbs for medicinal use, and sometimes chemical derivatives of plants are used. Recipes containing thyme. These are some recipes that contain thyme, and it is preferable to prepare them at home. First recipe: it is done through: take half a cup of olive oil. Put thyme on it until the oil layer rises and the cup is filled. Cover the jar and put it in a place exposed to the sun for 2 weeks. The result is thyme oil that is used as a fet to treat stomach aches, muscle aches, nausea, coughs, colds, and headaches. Second recipe: it is done as follows: soak a spoonful of fresh or dried thyme leaves for 5 to 10 minutes. The ready-to-drink recipe treats stomach aches, nausea, colds, coughs, gingivitis, and more. Third recipe: for those who like ready-made recipes, check out Abkal, a mixture of plants and local thyme, which is very convenient and safe to use in topical massage. Smelling. Massage the chest, upper back, or neck in cases of colds and flu. In addition, it has been shown to aid a peaceful and sound sleep in infants and children suffering from colds. Fifth recipe: one of the benefits of thyme is that in cases that require first aid, it is possible to chew bitter thyme leaves directly, and the leaves have the ability to reduce or stop bleeding and treat superficial injuries. And according to the aforementioned, it is possible to understand the deep meaning of the use of the thyme plant in its entirety, and thus to get the result maximum through the use of medicinal herbs. It is preferable to use the whole plant and not just its various derivatives. Thyme side effects. Despite the many benefits of thyme, its excessive consumption may result in some side effects, which are as follows: digestive disturbances, allergic reaction, skin irritation, bleeding, pregnancy complications,